When I'm rushing through life, all I want to do is hit the pause button. But in the back of my mind, I think, how can I possibly slow down when I have so much happening? But yet, slowing it down is exactly what I need the most. So I have found a few tiny ways that I can incorporate slow living into my busy life. Slow living does not mean that you have to have a complete life overhaul. It does not mean that you quit your job and now you're retired and you, live on a sailboat with your family. Whatever extreme version of slow living. That's not what it is. It's in these tiny moments of quiet, because when you quiet your mind, you gain clarity. And so finding little pockets, tiny pockets of moments throughout the day where we can practice slow living. One is 5 minutes in the morning, just 5, to sit quietly. 5 minutes. You don't even have to be silent. Maybe you read your book while you're sipping on coffee. 5 minutes where you start your day before the day kind of steamrolls over you, setting yourself up for the kind of day you want to have, a place of calm, a place of peace and clarity. Whenever you're feeling overwhelmed, pause and take 3 slow breaths. This could be on your way to work or to pick up the kids at a stoplight. 3 breaths will ground you and slow you down. Trying to eliminate the nasty habit of multitasking. And in place of trying to do everything all at once all the time, do one thing, whatever that one thing is, and be really present with that one thing. Saying no gracefully. Just because you are bombarded with invitations to various activities does not mean that you need to say yes to all of them. Take 10 minutes every night to prepare yourself to rest. Turn off the TV, put down the iPad, put away the phone, and breathe. Listen to some soothing music, light a candle, read a book. There is a way to make slow living work, whatever your life situation is. And I know that you're probably thinking, yeah, good for you, Connie, but that does not work for me. Go to tiny, actionable steps. Finding moments to pause. If you are taking a shower in the morning, just notice the water. When you notice the water touching your skin, in your hair, you turn off the mind that's moving so rapidly. If you have children, show your children how to slow down. One, being an example for them, but also taking time with them. Use waiting time as moments to be mindful. Using the time that you are waiting at a stoplight to place your hand on your heart and take 3 deep breaths. And just slowing down to enjoy the moment. Honor the natural rhythm of your life. Try to get in a cohesive flow between work, family, and personal life. Test out different timings of the day and see what works best for you, because if you are moving downstream from all of your obligations, life is so much easier than always trying to paddle upstream. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Try 1 or 3 of these simple, actionable, tiny steps to help you slow down and breathe. And notice if you feel a little lighter, a little less stressed, and a little more present. Have a beautiful day, my friend.